Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and get a full screen option on TikTok. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So for that, what you're going to do is simply go ahead and go to your app store or your Play Store right there in your mobile phone. Tap on search and you will go ahead search your app and check if your app is updated or not, because this is a new update given by TikTok itself, right? So therefore that purpose we'll have to make sure that the app is updated. Go check. As you can see, it shows open option instead of update. That means the app is already updated. So as you can see here in this video, you can see this full screen option, right? And once you do that, go ahead, open, tap on this full screen option, and it will turn this way. It will be a full screen with, you can see, this way. So you can do that. If you want to turn this off, what you can do is simply, yes, you can turn the full screen like that. If you want to exit, go ahead, tap on this icon over there and it will turn back to it. So this is how you can use it and access it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.